Introducing the top-of-the-line 2019 Volkswagen Golf 1.0 TSI Highline with Vienna leather trim, security and service guide, and technology upgrade. This sleek grey vehicle boasts a powerful 115 bhp 1-litre engine, packed with features for your comfort and safety. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking, this car has it all. With luxury trim and multiple airbags, you can drive in style and peace of mind. Plus, it comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie for more information. Drive away in style today.